What's up, y'all? Today going to Palmer Motorsports near Worcester, Mass. I've been looking at this track for a while, and I've definitely wanted to drive it. It looks gorgeous. The only thing is the runoff areas are a little less than suitable, but we'll just go and have some fun at the track. Yo, the entrance to this is pretty freaking awesome. It's right next to, just look at this road. Oh, I can't wait to race here. So we're going for our pace laps, so I'll take you guys along with that. Alright guys, so I'm going to talk you through this lap. I'm not the best to explain this, but I'm getting more comfortable with this track. So let's try it out. So we're up following in the space lap. This is the first turn. You want
want to set out wide so you get apex late, which I have no idea where the apex is. Track out, maybe? I have something wrong in the back of my car. Uphill. Seems relatively easy, but the apex is really late. I want to sit right there. But I think you want to give that turn up for this turn instead of closer to the right. Section. Start wide. Stay to the right of the track, so when you go in, you can cut across this line that you see in the middle of my car right now, and then you can floor it into the bowl, and then track, keep it steady, keep flooring it out. Go to the right. Or through here, maybe I could take that a little later. And then we're gonna, oh, this gets a lot of grip. Might want to do that later. Really gotta take that thing out of the back of my car. Let go of this turn so you can get ready for this one. Let's see. No, that's not the right turn. Gotta go later on that. And this is the straightaway. I wish I wasn't so far back. Follow instructor.
Hey guys, so the next clip I'm going to show is me almost losing control of my car. And if I had done so, I definitely would have put my car into a wall. Not good. But to preface that, usually when you're on track and you acknowledge someone behind you and you want to let them pass, you give them a point by. The Miata in front of me definitely give me a point by. However, when I give people point bys and let them pass, I let off the gas. I don't think the Miata let me let off the gas, and I was way too far back. Half of the problem was me, I'll admit that, but I thought I could close the gap, but I was not in my power band. So here's the clip. Doesn't look as bad on camera, but definitely a butt clenching moment in seat. It was crazy. Here we go. So I didn't go out on the last session. It started raining really bad, and once it stopped, the track was wet. Didn't really want to push the car and push myself to that where I would make a mistake. Overall, had fun. This track is amazing. The elevation changes, the technicalities, the turns. If you have the chance, definitely hit up Palmer in Massachusetts. And thanks for watching, guys. Okay.